guys, today it's me, Julia, and today I'm going to be showing you all about my purple slime. It's really jiggly and stuff, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. So, now let's go talk about the slime. So the slime's purple, it's really clicky. Then, it gets spread like that. Spread. Whoa, that's it. And you can't make bubbles or anything. Purple trigger, it's jiggly. And then it's great. That's all about the slimes. You can do this. It works really good. And then when you do this with your slime, it cracks open, it spreads everywhere like that. Like what? Like that, like that. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget the most important thing. Hit that subscribe button.